I have a very cool mobile home I'm going to share with you today. I bought this mobile home about 2 weeks ago. We're about to start the remodel on it. I had to be creative to put this deal together. I've been on a bit of a dry spell here, but the mobile home itself is rough. It needs a lot of work, as you're gonna see. But the last thing I'm gonna show you will help you appreciate why I did this deal. It's a very cool, rare feature in this mobile home. So excited to show that to you. So I kind of want to walk you through the property. I'll walk you around the grounds first, kind of show you what we're going to do to the outside, walk you through the inside of the mobile home, show you what I plan to do to the inside, and then I'm going to show you the coolest part about this property. You're going to love it. So first of all, kind of show you around the property here. See the person I bought it from left a bunch of stuff. Got a little kayak boat type of thing here. Got this nice big storage building, as you see here, but look at what's inside this thing. I mean, it is packed out. All kind of stuff. And he did tell me he wants to keep some of the stuff, basically keep some of the good stuff, which is fine. Otherwise, we'll probably haul it to the dump. But it's got that shed, then we got another little shed here that, as you see, needs a bunch of work. Notice all the rotten wood, all the junk inside. I do plan to save both of these sheds. This one here, I plan to just swap this siding out with some hardy plank. I want the cheapest, most durable stuff I can find to put on here. And I want to keep the shed. It's a nice shed, nice big shed. Now our little carport here, notice it got destroyed. So I'm gonna have a carport company give me a price just to see if I wanna keep this thing, kind of fix it or not. Probably not, but we'll see. But I'll show you another kind of major issue here. So make sure I don't step on any snakes. It's starting to get warm. So our main breaker box and power pole, it's really leaning way over. And it's just got tree limbs all on it. Now, what's crazy about it is the power is actually on at this place. I don't know whose name it's on in, but the power's on. So we're gonna get it disconnected so we can get that fixed. One cool thing about this mobile home, they spent some money. Notice this kind of like a roof. It's like an RV roof. Can't think of what these things are called. But they put this over this old mobile home just to kind of protect it, which is actually nice. And here you see just more yard debris. We're gonna be cleaning all this out, cleaning it up. You see the mobile home itself looking pretty rough. I forgot what year it was. I think it's the 60s or so. Let me take you inside before I show you the coolest part about this property. You're gonna love this. I mean, this is just rare. Let me show you the inside, kind of talk you through what our plans are for the inside. So what's funny, it's the funny story of this mobile home. The man I bought it from, he said that he kept having people want to come stay with him. So he took out all the bedrooms and bathrooms except for one. So I'll walk you back here, show you. So we're going back here into the bedroom area. So there's a closet. Water here is actually pretty new. So that's nice. That saves me $1,000, $1,300. I noticed the floors, like I get a lot of mobile homes, the floors are rough. He did this, he covered this up. We're gonna pull this out, put down good new subfloor, lay some LVP cabinets. Countertops are actually pretty good in here. I'm gonna try and save this if we can clean it up. We're going to have to redo this doors, whether swap the doors out or refinish them. Toilet looks pretty good, just dirty. Bathtub, I'm hoping we can clean this up. Got some nice tile here. Hope to keep that, just kind of clean it up. So that all looks pretty good. All right, let me walk you through the rest of the house here, kind of show you what we're gonna do. So LVP throughout the entire thing. We're gonna do kind of a light gray walls, trim, gonna do white. Well, I'm gonna stick with the window unit theme here for AC. Gonna have a big one in here. This one actually works, but it's pretty bad. We're gonna try and clean it. Don't expect that to work out. But window unit there, window unit back in the bedroom. And then we're gonna attach a couple of wall electric space heaters for heat. Now kind of service heat. That way I don't gotta spend $7,000, $8,000 on a central unit. Or I could do the, I forgot what you call those small hotel type units. I just don't wanna spend that kind of money on this mobile home. Now we're gonna build a little closet here for our washer dryer, so that'll look good. We're actually gonna install some cabinets up here, and then on the other side, put some shelving, so that'll look good and make it a lot better. Now there is, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there is a slope here. It's kind of like, I'm not too worried about it. I don't think the mobile home's going anywhere. It's a mobile home. People don't expect perfection, but I need it safe, clean, and presentable. That's what I want with mobile home. I may have to keep this one as a rental. I'm thinking about trying to sell it to make a chunk of money. I won't be able to make a lot because I had to pay up for it. Like I mentioned, I've been on a dry spell here, so just trying to put a deal together. But I've structured this deal where I can keep it as a rental and probably make probably make around $200 to $300 a month on it, maybe $400. It's a 1 bed, 1 bath. I had to pay it for. I paid $95,000 for it. It's gonna take me probably $15,000, $20,000 to get it where I want it, and then I'll either keep it as a rental, or try and sell it. Probably try and sell it first, and if it doesn't sell, then I'll keep it as a rental. Now, I want to show you the cool things about this property. First of all, it has a nice little sitting area here under the shed. So no matter whether it's raining or whatever, got a nice sitting area. We're gonna kind of clean that up. We're gonna paint this, make it look a lot better in here. Got this cool old fireplace. Now I've decided I'm gonna take this and move it to the corner. I'll show you in just a minute, because I don't want a tenant, if I end up renting it out, putting a fire in here and burning this thing down. That I don't want. I'm gonna come in here, we're gonna redo these stairs. All the stairs, gonna redo them, put a handrail up around here, take this table and move it over to the corner over there, where I'm gonna set up this stove. So I have a nice little sitting area, as you'll see once we get going with the remodel. Now, I'm excited to show you the coolest thing about this property. By far, the main reason why I decided to do this deal and pay up for this property a little bit. So, as I'm walking out here, notice what you're up against. I know you don't know what this is, but we're in the northwestern part of Florida. This is actually a kind of a slough in here. About a mile that way is the bay. So I'm looking at the water here. It's like the tide's going out. See all the leaves heading back towards the main bay area. So I guess the tide's going out right now. And just an awesome fishing area. If people like to fish, this is perfect. My contractor said he's caught a bunch of good fish back up in here. So it's a cool little camp. And I decided to not add any bedrooms and bathrooms. I don't really want a family in here with kids, mainly because this could be dangerous. This is a lawsuit. There is a fence here, but I don't want to be any part of some child getting through the fence and drowning out there. That'd be terrible. So I'm not going to add a bedroom and bath. I'm not going to, of course, I can't disallow a family if they apply and they check out, then we're going to rent it to them. But I don't want to add bedrooms and bathrooms to cater to a family, mainly because I don't like that. That scares me with the water right there. That's a super cool feature. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna clear out all these azaleas, gonna cut them way down. I love azalea bushes, but they're blocking the view. It's the best part about this property. So we're gonna clear out these azalea bushes here so you have a nice clear shot of the property. So my contract is starting tomorrow. I look forward to giving you an update as this project progresses. And by the way, I haven't posted in a while. It's because I haven't closed a deal in a while. I've been on a little dry spell here. But I did close out my country house. And although D.R. Horton was hammering that market, it's caused that market to collapse about 15 or 20% because of what they're offering as far as real estate commissions and closing cost assistance and buying people's rates down. We're still able to turn a profit on that house. Very cool story. Sold it to a younger man in his low 20s, him and his wife, and they're gonna fix it up. So that was my country house. This is the last videos that I post. If you want to check those out, they're probably a couple months back. All right, so excited to share this project with you. And I'm actually off now to go look at another house, make an offer on it. Sound like it is a possible deal? I got another one this guy's been calling me I'm gonna look at tomorrow, and he's kind of a rude guy, man. So I kind of blown him off a few times, but finally he sounded a little more humble when he called me. So I was like, you know what, I'll just go for it. So I'm gonna look at that house tomorrow. So maybe I might have another deal that I'm signing the next day or two. So that's all for today. Well, I'll let you know this project progresses. We'll see you in the future.